In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a post sticky in WordPress. This is a great technique if you're looking to feature a particular post prominently, ensuring it stays at the very top of your blog or website's homepage. Whether you're highlighting a special announcement, a key article, or any content you feel deserves extra attention, making a post sticky can be incredibly useful. Let's dive into the process by starting from your WordPress dashboard. To begin, you'll need to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your central hub where you manage all your content, and it's typically the first screen you visit upon logging in. Once you've accessed your dashboard, head straight to the Posts section on the left-hand menu. Hover over the Posts tab and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select All Posts. This will bring up a list of every post you've created, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Now, scroll through your posts and locate the specific post you want to feature. Once you've found it, click on the Edit option that appears below the post's title. This will open up the Post Editor, where you can make all sorts of changes to your content. Next, we'll focus on enabling the Pin this post to the top option. While you're in the editor, direct your attention to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see various tabs, and you'll want to click on the Post tab. This section contains all the information and settings related to your post. Scroll down within this sidebar until you find the Status area. It's here that you'll find an important setting labeled Sticky. It's normally unchecked by default, but if you want to prioritize this post, you should check the box next to Sticky. By doing this, you're essentially instructing WordPress to keep this post at the top of your homepage or any archive pages, regardless of the publication date of any new posts. Once you've checked the box, don't forget the final crucial step: saving your changes. Head to the top right-hand corner of your screen where you'll find the Save button. Click that to ensure your sticky post setting is applied. And that's it. You've successfully made your post sticky. From now on, whenever visitors come to your site, this post will be front and center until you decide to change it. By following these steps, you can easily highlight important content, keeping it easily accessible and highly visible to anyone browsing your site. Thanks for tuning in, and we hope this helps you manage your WordPress site even more effectively. See you in the next video.